Good morning, Patrick Rourke with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to take a quick walk through a 2026 Sea Ray 400 SLX. First thing to notice about this is we have this vessel options with the twin V12 600 Mercury outboards. Really awesome power plant for this boat. You're going to have a really nice color here. We picked the dune interior with the combo of the tan sea deck and also the sea woven carpet on the inside. Really great feature. On the back deck here, a lot of space for lounging. Your seat will actually spin here, so you have some more space, and then you can drop the starboard side gunnel here and have a little bit more space to jump off into the water. In the entertainment area here, you're going to notice that we have this specific vessel optioned with twin refrigerations, twin Kenyan grills. We did pick the Samsung TV outside, which is a really neat feature, so you can watch your football games even when you're out on the water. Massive seating here, probably at least 10 to 12 people. Port side seat will spin as well, so you can turn this around and you have some additional seating here. Moving up to the helm, you're going to notice that we have this specific vessel optioned with the twin Simrad GPS electronics, all digital touch. We have some hard switches here for some features that you really want to use real fast, the windlass, turning your night lights on. We have the auto tabs on this vessel. We also have the joystick controls that comes with the skyhook feature. As we move forward, what you're going to notice is a ton of space here. Again, high gunnels, great for kids to be able to walk forward on the boat when you're running. Up on the bow, you have 3 forward-facing seats here. Really great feature. We have a nice lounging table here. Space for at least, 6 people up here to hang out, lounge. Access to your windlass spotlight controls. So what's really nice down in the cabin of the Sea Ray 400 SLX is we have a couple different seating areas here. In the bow, there's a nice V berth that we can have a nice dinner, a couple of cocktails down here and relax in the air conditioning, or this does convert into a full-size berth. A really beautifully appointed wet head with a very nice backsplash. And my favorite feature down here, a massive aft sleeping compartment where you can lounge, watch a movie, and enough space for all the pups to be in bed with you. 2026 Sea Ray 400 SLX at MarineMax Clearwater. Come on down, let's get you out on the water.